Hi everyone, welcome to Cook with Lin. Today we're going to make the simplest Chinese noodle soup known as Yangchun Mian, Yangchun noodles. And it's so plain, but also it's so comforting and warming. And we just need the noodles and green onions. Let's get started. We're going to cut the green onions very thin. Cut in half like that. And I'm going to use dried Chinese noodles, flat noodles, or you can use ramen noodles, any noodles you can get. I already pre-boiled a pot of water. Let's drop our noodles. It's about 3 ounces. And we'll cook about 5 to 6 minutes. While we're waiting for the noodles, let's make our broth. Start with half of the green onions and a little bit of salt to season. Normally this noodle calls for lard, but I'm using sesame oil and a little bit of sugar. For the flavor, we add some chicken bouillon, or you can use mushroom seasoning and white pepper powder. Here's a light soy sauce, no measuring, right? Taste and adjust. And if you have dark soy sauce for the color, just a little bit. Our noodles almost ready. Let's add some cold water so they will cook evenly and also prevent them from sticking. Here's our broth. How simple, right? Don't need to make stock. Here's our noodles. Isn't it simple? Could be simpler or not. Wow, smells so good. Can garnish it with more green onions and a little bit more sesame oil. Simple like that. Cheers. Let me try the broth. Perfect. So warming. Try the noodles. Again, the simple food is the best. This noodle just with minimalist ingredients, but it's so good, it's so comforting. So what does Yangchun mean? Yangchun's 10th month of lunar calendar. That month is very warm and comfortable, just like this noodles. So comforting, and it's plain, but it's also so delicious. Please try to make it. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.